Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a quick look at the 2022 Rockwood 2881S. So the Rockwood is a very unique fifth wheel because they focus on being ultra lightweight, but also quality, which normally the two paths don't collide well because quality normally equals weight. But Rockwood was able to accomplish that in this awesome lightweight fifth wheel. It's only about 8,300 pounds dry, so it's super lightweight, but it does have a 1,300 pound tongue weight, so you still want to tow this with a 3/4 ton truck. Right up here, it is a painted fiberglass front cap. The Kurt pin box, everything about the outside is great. The quality's nice. They used the Goodyear Endurance tires, frameless windows, and look how big this power awning is with the LED lights. But really, it looks even better on the inside. Let's take a look. Inside, we're in a rear kitchen fifth wheel. And again, for being so small, I think they killed it with the floor plan design. Right back here is your rear kitchen. Look at all the countertop space. We do got the fireplace that's burning, coming in hot, and the TV with the storage behind it. Nice residential refrigerator here, and then look at this pantry space. What is nice about this pantry space, you can put a stackable washer dryer there. Right here, the table that's already dropped down, it does make a bed. And then over here is the theater seats directly across from the TV, and a tri-fold sofa. As we make our way up the steps of the fifth wheel, you can see it is a small bathroom here, but overall, this is a small overall fifth wheel. Nice toilet placement, nice sink with a radius shower. And then wrapping up in the master bedroom, we have a very nice north to south bed that's fully walk around. 2 AC units, plenty of storage in here. And then there is a slide out right here, a wardrobe slide out. You can see the way it looks. You can see the quality, the fit finishes and features. And again, while maintaining an excellent price point and great quality for being so lightweight, it's the reason why Rockwood's #1, and it's just a great unit. But that's it. That's a quick 2-minute tour. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the unit that you want to buy, click the link down below, and one of our fifth wheel experts will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.